I'm Jennifer Ludlam with Dynamatic, and I'm speaking with Michael Kogan.
I'm Michael Kogan with Quality Controls. We're the reps for Dynamatic in Southern New York, New Jersey, Eastern PA, Maryland, Delaware, Northern Virginia, and DC.
Michael, you recently were in a plant where when you talked to the maintenance manager, he was currently in the process of doing maintenance on his eddy current drive. Did you get a chance to go see that and talk to the people doing the maintenance?
I did, actually. I got a chance to talk to them before they got into that maintenance, and the question was, what is the preventative maintenance that is required for this drive? And I went quickly through the components and essentially the guts of what an eddy current drive is, and he quickly understood that it's pretty much the same as the motor. Whatever PM he needed to do to the motor, he needed to do to the drive as well. Bearings, grease, and
so he had to grease his bearings.
That's right. And he asked me about a complete overhaul and what that would entail. And well, obviously we would prefer to do it in our shop, but it's routinely done at just a motor shop. It's windings and bearings and nothing special.